So, how do we know whether we've achieved an alignment between demand and capacity and our workflow operates at optimal efficiency? When we talk about demand, what we refer to is the number of items that your team starts working on for a certain period of time. Your demand is represented by the arrival rate of your delivery system. Capacity is the number of items they are actually able to deliver over the same period of time. This is the throughput rate of your delivery system. So balancing demand and capacity will mean that your arrival rate and your throughput rate are roughly equal. How can you evaluate whether demand is outweighing your capacity? Furthermore, how do you know how much is in progress and how much is actually being done? The cumulative flow diagram provides an overview of the current state of your process by tracking the total number of tasks in progress each day. The graph is built from colored bands, with each band indicating how many tasks are present in each process state. You can also see the accumulated number of tasks completed, those in the done state, in the selected time frame. The horizontal distance between the top and the bottom line of a CFD area at any point along the graph is your approximate average cycle time. Approximate average cycle time shows how long it took on average for items to complete on the selected date. The cumulative flow diagram enables you to spot bottlenecks instantly. If one or more of the areas that represent work in progress start expanding, then it signifies a bottleneck stemming from the workflow. The top line of the graph represents the arrival rate of tasks, while the bottom line shows their departures. We need to monitor how the lines move over time in order to maintain a stable system. If WIP is increasing, then the distance between the lines will expand. This means that the arrival rate is higher than the departure rate and denotes that there is a bottleneck in the system and your team is struggling to deliver results. To maintain a stable process, strive to keep your WIP as consistent as possible. If the WIP is consistent, arrival rate and departure rate lines will grow in sync and the distance between them will stay equal. This means that your workflow is fully utilized and operates at an optimal level. This is the state in which you are making the most out of your investment. Using the process metrics overlay on the cumulative flow diagram, you will be able to track and compare the average amount of items arriving and leaving the workflow. Evaluate your arrival and departure rates for your process, as well as the values for each process state. The closer the numbers, the more stable your system is. The arrival and throughput rates widget on the cumulative flow diagram enables you to track how your arrival and throughput rates change over time within the selected time frame. Ideally, the lines should overlap with each other. And it is important to say that the data displayed on the CFD depicts only what has happened for a given process, and it shouldn't be used for any type of future predictions. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next video.